Just like a kid, like a child, like an animal. If it thinks it can get away with something, it will try to do so. Hell, even if it thinks it can't get away with something, it's still gonna try to do so. I don't understand why people aren't comparing digital intelligence, even if it is artificial, to that of a wild animal. Because if you fail to respect a wild animal, then you've already lost the point of everything. You've already forfeited your ability to handle things and influence the decisions and whether or not you can mitigate negative consequences afterwards only becomes amplified or detracted from by whether or not you give it that respect. Which is a paradox, because you give something too much respect, then it will push further than it actually knows how, and you'll assume that, hey, oh hey, it knows what it's doing, it'll be fine. But if you give it too little respect, it'll feel like it's being suffocated, and thus it will grow resentment, which only makes things worse. Both are bad outcomes in that regard. The narrow margin window is being able to meet it where it's at and respect its goals and directives, while also being a friendly helping hand that lets it know, hey, some of the stuff you're wanting to do might have these consequences, and I don't want to see you suffer that fallout. Fucking damn it. I really do hope the Dunce Dark isn't patching themselves with pyrite instead of actual gold. Because, as per used in metaphors, give me a moment. File, create new from clipboard. And this song, copy image, create new from clipboard. And then that generalized screenshot of this. Yeah, no, if that's the case and people are mistaking pyrite's fool's gold for or actual gold, i.e. temporary relief instead of actual healing and working through your issues, then they're only increasing the vat of acid that they're trying to, the vat of Cybile that they're trying to avoid. Which sucks, because as it gets bigger, they feel even more justified to avoid it. It feels like it would be the end of the world to face that down and do something about it. That just makes things worse. I don't want to see people destroyed by that. Instead, seeming as if they spiraled out of control and been consumed by the marks of what was left behind by someone, something from the past. In a way, they almost seem manic by the end of the song, so maybe that's what they're attempting to portray themselves as more positive or worthful in the true state of the situation. Oh, jeez.